Are you an auto repair business owner who wants to reclaim up to 50 hours a month while making your workshop more efficient, future-proof and stress-free? Hey, I'm Ryan Davis, founder and CEO of Mechanic.com.au. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how our Evolve program can help you streamline your operations, free up valuable time and future-proof your business. Running a successful workshop isn't just about fixing cars. You're constantly juggling customer inquiries, managing bookings, ordering parts, and trying to find and keep great staff, all while staying ahead of ever-evolving vehicle technology. It's easy to feel like you're always running out of time, and that's where our Evolve program comes in. This isn't just another booking system or information resource. It's a proven system designed specifically to help workshops streamline operations, increase profitability, and build a high-performing team. Our Evolve program helps you eliminate time-consuming admin by automating customer quotes and bookings. With our proprietary system at Mechanic.com.au, customers can instantly receive a quote based on your unique pricing and preferences, then book with you seamlessly, without you even lifting a finger. This ensures a smoother customer experience while keeping your workshop efficient and organised. Plus, we help streamline the parts ordering process to save you even more time, all without sneaky commissions or directing your customers elsewhere. Imagine having instant access to a network of over 20,000 mechanics whenever you hit a tricky repair. Our Evolve program gives you priority post-approval in our exclusive mechanic-only knowledge hub, where experienced professionals share insights, troubleshooting tips and solutions in real time. With this hive mind of expertise, you can diagnose vehicles faster, turning hours of research into just minutes. Finding skilled staff is one of the biggest challenges in the industry, but we make it easy. As an Evolve program member, you get unlimited job postings on our industry-leading automotive jobs platform, where mechanics actively list their skills and availability. Plus, you'll receive early alerts when qualified technicians, service advisors, or apprentices in your area are looking for work, giving you first access to top talent before the competition. And with our National Auto Careers Initiative, Gear Up, we're actively bringing new talent into the industry, creating more opportunities for workshops like yours to connect with future mechanics. Since 2017, Mechanic.com.au has been dedicated to helping Aussie workshops operate more efficiently. We've supported thousands of mechanics from small independents to national chains by providing real, practical solutions to everyday challenges. So if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and finally build a workshop that runs smoother, grows faster, and gives you back your time, I want to personally invite you to join our Evolve program today. And because we stand by it 100%, your membership is backed by a money-back guarantee. Click the button below to join the Evolve program now and start making your business more streamlined, efficient, and future-ready. Our team is ready to support you every step of the way. To ensure every workshop gets the best possible results, we can only work with a limited number of businesses in each area. Spots are filling fast, so don't miss out. Click below to take control of your business today. I'm excited to welcome you to the Mechanic.com.au Evolve program and help you reclaim your time, grow your business, and work smarter. Click below to get started now.